Hi, Melissa. I'm going to give you feedback on your student portfolio, and I'm glad that you managed to get everything up to date. This is going to be a long video because I'm kind of going right from the beginning here, so please forgive. You are giving yourself a letter grade of A, and you have given a very detailed uh, um, description of why. Just for me, it would be nice if these were in bold so I could kind of see where they were, but otherwise, it's just fine. I just get picky that way, but I'm not complaining. I appreciate the detail in what you've thought. So let's see what you have. You've got a link to your chat, which is great. And I'm not sure how I get this link for some reason, but I'm not able to get that link. I don't know if it's because you don't have an account, a notebook account. I'm just trying to figure that out. But regardless, you weren't required to send me that. I appreciate it. You've given a nice overview. You've got your challenges. You've clearly stated your learning goals. I agree. This is an A uh, effort. In terms of this is the link to your chat, which is lovely. And then you've got a very detailed reflection, which I can see is quite good. And then you have a link to your chat here. Now I'm wondering if you have this summary in there. You probably do. Let me see what's going on here. How to say a prompt? Oh, I see. That's interesting. I'm not sure what that is for. That is looking at AI. Oh, I see your chat in class. That's fine. What you're meant to do is actually do a reflection of your contributions in class. So I'm just going to say that that's um, missing just there. Not proving what you did in class with this way. And then you've got your community. Well, I see what you've done here. Maybe it isn't missing. I'll just check that up. You've kind of put it down under community contributions, which it really isn't. Wow, you put in a lot. This is the community contribution part, um, and which is lovely. It's just I don't have the link here, so I'm assuming you have it somewhere. So overall, very well done. And now I'm assuming we're moving. Well, that's interesting. Again, are we into week one, activity two? You don't have to put all those activities in there. That's a lot of work, actually. Um, so you've got this summary again. Okay, so I agree. A is good. You've got Kyle's feedback for this week. You've got your LM. Listen to your personal work. That was the information. Yes, and that's what I'm asking you to do. I agree. That's solid. You've got a chat. You've got a very detailed reflection, which is impressive. And at this point, we don't have anything for your personal AI project. So I'm just going to put a little thing there saying that's missing. Um, You've got your community contributions here, individual, all great. Magic School, again, if you can highlight that and then right click and then insert the link for Magic School, that makes it a lot easier. I'm assuming you did that. I hope you did that for the Gen AI, this whole resource list. So I would agree. That's really at the A quality. Just a little concerned about the project, but maybe that's coming. Uh, and then I don't think, interestingly enough, in week two, you didn't do your own self-assessment. I'm okay with that. Um, but let's just find week three here because I noticed you didn't put a grade for that, which is fine. You've got your work in Gemini here. Student daily communication. Not sure what that is. What is it? Interesting. I'm not sure what's going on. That's your personal work. Um, ah, Instructions for the challenges. Okay, perfect. That's what I was looking for. And the challenges and the strengths and limitation. EA. Okay. And you used. Okay. Gemini. Okay, fine. That's good. You have a full chat. You have your reflection, all solid. Now you've got the 3 stars here. I'm sure that means something, but I'm not sure what it means. You've got your in-class contributions, which are fine. And then you don't have to give me all this. I mean, that's nice you put that in there, but you don't have to do that. You've got Bing Image Creator. Okay, so this is all solid A work. I agree with you. And then here you're not justifying your grade. Again, not really an issue. Your notebook LM work. Yeah, so it's not going to give that to me. But again, that's not going to give it to me. So I don't have. How much time? Okay, you've done that. That you're using it to 10 credible sources, AI and critical thinking. So I don't have the final. So I'm missing that final output that you have. So missing final output of the intended goal. I know it can get confusing here. I don't need your Gen AI chat anymore. I appreciate that you put that. Oh, wait a second. Maybe this is the video here. And so the video, yeah, I can't get the video. You actually have to download that video, which is why I can't see it. Okay, and you've got good reflection here. You've now let's see. You created a story. You've got what you did in class. You put that, and you don't have to do a community contribution. Again, we're missing that personal project, right? So and then we got week 5. You got the Jenny activity. I'm assuming that's the document that I asked. 6 competencies, character, okay, which is fine. And Grammarly and ChatGPT and tone and stuff, okay, which is good. Good reflection. Again, missing, unless I'm missing something here. Yeah. That's interesting. So community, you've given your individual, which is great. And then we get to week 6, which again, you've got the activity, the asynchronous. Name of the tool is Conmingo. Excellent. And you've given wow, a really long summary, which is an A quality work. And then you've got your in-class contributions. So to be honest, I would say you're almost to an A to A plus on your student portfolio, which is excellent. But you are missing all the information on your project. So that kind of puts you down. Well, obviously you have to do a project. So it's a little hard. You're somewhere between, well, it's interesting. It's a hard thing to actually assess. I would say A plus on what, A to A plus on what you've contributed. You missed a few things, so I would say an A maybe, but project, obviously it's incomplete. So that's my feedback.